remix of the Mafia gang.
I know, obviously Manchester, you know where it is, man. Oh, you're feeling me up a lot still. That's mad. We're out in Manchester, yeah, and we are gonna move to a lot of girls, yeah, on camera for your entertainment. Whether it's a W or an L, it is what it is, innit? Yeah, just have to be in it to win it. Let's go. Bang. How long you been going in for?
Like 2 years.
Okay, it's working. It's definitely working. What's your name? You from around here?
Like a 20-minute train journey.
Okay, alright. I'm not from around here. Today's my first day in it.
Where are you from?
London.
London, what side?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just seeing how it is around here. Going back, but then I'll be back again soon, innit? I might move up here, innit?
Might move.
Yeah.
So you like it?
I like you.
What's your name?
Mike.
Nice.
Or King. Most people call me King.
King.
Yeah. Yo, so what is it? Shall I get your Instagram then? Maybe we'll go together.
Go on then,
Yeah? Alright, cool, no problem. Alright, cool, I got you. Alright, wicked. Be good, yeah? I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Yeah, you too. Yeah.
I'm always good. Always.
I don't believe you.
No, definitely. We can be good together or bad together.
Second option's better.
Oh, okay, I like that. Awesome. How you doing today? What's your name? From Manchester, yes.
And you?
I'm from London.
Oh, London. What are you doing here?
I'm here on a visit.
Oh,
Yeah, just for today. I'm going. Actually, I came yesterday, and I'm going today, and I'll be back like next week.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm squeezing past. Yeah, no, it was all right. It's all right. What are you up to?
Just had my hair done, then I'm going to that shop to have my eyebrows done.
Nice one. Looking after yourself, I can see that. You're doing a good job still, isn't it? Yeah. But what was it? Since you're going that way and I'm going that way, I have to take some kind of details so I can speak to you again.
I can't do that.
What?
I can't do that.
Mike. King.
Yeah, there's no
There you go, and we have to do that together, innit?
No, my line of song.
Oh, that hurt my feelings.
Oh, don't worry.
Alright. You take care, yeah? You're looking nice though. Alright, take care. I noticed you, thought you're good looking in that, even though you look grumpy. Yeah, and I just come to get like some details so next time I come up, we can hang out. That'd be okay.
I'm seeing someone.
Oh, that's hurt my feelings, but that's alright. Alright, you have a good day, yeah? Take care. What's going on, girls? You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your names? Oh, okay. What are you up to today?
Gonna go get our nails done.
Oh, yeah? Okay, look nice for the man them and that.
For the man dem?
Yeah, for guys like me.
Definitely not the man dem.
Oh, okay.
For yourself.
I hear that. Are you out tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Going.
Well, I'm from London, innit? And obviously I'm thinking about moving down there and trying to make some new friends and that.
Okay.
London.
I'm in from East.
Oh, I'm from South.
Oh, I'm so sorry
Sorry for what?
that you moved on.
Oh, what's wrong with that? Oh, why? You're taking a piss out where I come from. That's bad, man. What's going on? But anyway, I don't want to waste no more time. I'm going to take your Instagram today, and then when I come back down, then I'll come link you. Hey, you better follow me back, you know. I'm not going to be like a fan.
I've only got like 147 followers.
Oh, okay. Alright, so that's 30 then. I'm following you now, yeah?
I'm following you.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice to meet you.
Alright, nice to meet you. Have a good day, yeah? Take care. See you later. No, I saw you from across the road, and I wanted to say hello. I'm from London, new here. I'm trying to make friends and that, innit? I feel we should be friends, innit?
I'm not from here.
Where you from?
Stoke.
Stoke. I don't know where that is, innit? Like, do you know what I mean? But yeah.
Train.
Oh, but we should be friends, don't you think?
I've got a boyfriend.
Oh, alright. No worries, yeah. Have a good day, yeah? Take care. Alright. My name's Michael, by the way.
Your name is
Michael.
Michael.
Yeah. What country? Hold on, before you go, I want to take details so I can see you again. Is that okay? I'll take your Instagram or your phone number.
What can be on my Instagram?
It's alright, I'll just say your number. Alright, I'm gonna shout you a text, yeah? Alright, take care. Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Oh, you're nice, man. You're nice.
So are you?
Yeah. Like what you see. Now that's good. And you know what? Like I'm just down there for today, and I'm thinking about moving to Manchester. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to make some new friends and that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You look like a good person. I could, you know, be friends with. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. You up for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So let me get some details from you. So when I come back, then we
Where are
can.
you from, London?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know London.
Not really, no.
You've never been London?
No.
Bro.
I'm from the Netherlands originally.
From the Netherlands?
Yeah.
Oh, swear.
Yeah.
That's it. That's crazy. No, we'll talk about it more, innit? Like after I get your number or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Richard's like my bad.
What are you doing? You're filming something.
No, he's not. He's not.
Yeah, you totally are. How much?
No, she ain't trouble. She's just my size still. Where you from?
I'm from London.
Oh, so am I. Awesome sauce.
Awesome.
Yeah, awesome sauce, innit? No, not awesome stow. Awesome sauce. But you know you're my type now. I've been looking for a girl just like you.
Really?
Absolutely. And you're all walking fast and that. You little creation. How long are you staying in Manchester? I was gonna say, but you catch up to everything, innit? Fucking hell. You got really soft skin. So do I. That's how I know. My skin is soft. That's what it is. Like, oh, you're filling me up a lot still. That's mad. Mental. Say it.
What's your YouTube channel? Huh? Michael.
It could be me.
King Rich is the motherfucking guy.
But no, obviously Manchester, you know where it is.
I'm 40 and the motherfucking map, babe.
Yeah, as you can see, that's the end of the video. Yeah, obviously King Rich's in Manchester, approaching women. It's a very fun trip. Shout out to the mandem that came down for it. It was all good. Manchester is a great city. If I was to make an honest comparison to like London and whatnot, you know, especially with the girls are a lot more friendly. In general, the people there are just more friendly, and I could see myself living there. To be honest, I could definitely live in Manchester. Great place. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.